So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order on the McDonald's app. So first of all, you will need to download the app. After that, you will see the McDonald's Golden Arches logo. So just open it up. From there, you can see at the bottom, Home, My M, Food, Restaurant, and more. And through the restaurant page, you will find which restaurants offer mobile order and pay. So if I open this restaurant screen, it will show me some of the restaurants uh, around here, and I can check out their contact information through there. But I will just show you through uh, the McDonald's.com version how to order in the app. So through here, this is the mobile order and pay. So it will look something like this: order paid and received, and after that you wait for it and it will be just over for you. So 3 easy steps to get faves faster in the app. Place your order ahead of time, so make sure that they have enough time to prepare it for you. Double check the restaurant choice, so don't use a different restaurant, then you go to the order place and it's not the same place that you order at. And select the curbside or front counter, so you can skip the line or choose table services to dine in. So these are about the steps that you can do when you are 5 mile within the radius of a restaurant that offers this kind of service. You'll be notified and will have the option to order it through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.